He shall carry with him at all times during his tour of duty his license, identification card, duty detail order, and permit to carry of firearms. Number 2, he shall not use his license and other privileges, if any, to prejudice the public, client, or customer in his agency. Okay, number 3, he shall not engage in any unnecessary conversation with anybody except in the discharge of duty and sit down unless required by the nature of his work. Shall at all times keep himself alert during his tour of duty. Number 4, he shall refrain from reading magazine, newspaper, book, etc. actually while performing his duties. Number 5, he shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately and before his tour of duty. Number 6, he shall know the location of firebox, dispose, and sound alarm in case of fire or disorder. Number 6, he shall know the location
Shall know how to operate.
He shall know how to operate any of fire extinguisher at his post. Number 1 yan, di ba? Number 7 yun. Number 8 na. Number 8, he shall know the location of telephone numbers and telephone numbers of police personnel as well as the telephone number of fire station and locality. Number 9, he shall immediately notify the police in case of any sign of disorder, strike, riot, and serious violation of the law. Number 10, he in his group of guard shall not participate or integrate any of disorder, strike, riot, and serious violation of the law. Number 11, he shall assist the police in preservation and maintenance of peace and order and in protection of life and properties. Number 12, he shall familiarize himself by heart with the Private Security Agency Law, Republic Act 5784 as amended, and implementation rules and regulations of Republic Act 11917, the Private Security Services Industry Act.